Let's break down how I use the PowerZone momentum indicator to read exhaustion, reversals, and realistic targets. These two purple and white exhaustion lines, they mark extreme push points, where buyers or sellers are gassed out. If momentum dips below the lower band, I'm watching closely. Now I don't just jump in, I wait for my RSI to cross up through zero. That combo, that's a clean bullish reversal confirmation. Same thing up top. If we spike above the upper exhaustion, then RSI crosses down through zero. It's telling me sellers are waking up, and we're likely turning. But here's the key. If exhaustion doesn't hit the bands, I'm not expecting a full reversal. I'll still take the move, but I'm aiming for a short-term TP, not a continuation play. Sometimes I'll also use this to confirm divergence. If momentum's fading, but price is still pushing, that's a red flag. PowerZone catches the imbalance before the drop. It's all about understanding power and fatigue. Master the exhaustion zones, and you'll stop overtrading. This is PowerZone Momentum, only at ateldarkinvestments.com.